Good morning, day 40 on trail. So 40 days puts me at about a quarter mark in terms of time, because I want to do this trail in less than 160 days, preferably more like 150, because that would put me to finish around mid-September. But I am not a quarter of the way done with the trail. Right now I have about 610 miles in on the trail. And when the trail is 3,100 miles, but when you figure in all the alternates you take that cut miles off, I'm probably going to end up finishing this trail somewhere in like 28 to 2,900 miles. So my quarter of my current distance right now would put me at 2,400. So I'm still missing like 400. But I spent my whole first month with Nightcrawler because he's a really awesome dude and good company. I like spending time with him. We go at a slower pace, so like mid to high teens, whereas I like to go in like 20 to 25s on a regular basis. I've also taken a lot of zeros. That's my own thing, just with the transition to Hawaii and back, and then like staying in Chama for 2 nights between Chama and Ghost Ranch because of the storm and the snow. So there's that transition as well. But I should be picking up speed later, especially as I get stronger. But I packed up camp 7:45 a.m. I'm pretty much ready to go, so we'll start hiking. So funny story, guys. I was just about to start hiking, just finished that video, and all of a sudden I saw a body walking towards me. I was like, oh, somebody else to pass me. What else is new? Everybody's passing me on this trail. And who is it but Jacob? So Jacob and Two Slice, the people that I've been pushing to catch up with this whole time, were actually behind me. It turns out when we had that snowstorm that I pushed through and kept hiking, they actually took cover in the trees and set up camp and said screw it for the day. So the whole time I'm trying to catch up to them and they're behind me. So they ended up camping down at that river where I had that log crossing yesterday, which is where I was planning on camping. So I almost camped with them, but now we are hiking together, and the gang's back together. So that's pretty exciting and very unexpected. I knocked out about 8 miles, so we were chilling at this campground that's over here. So they got like pit toilets, water spigots, picnic tables, things like that. But now we're gonna hitch to town because we're near a highway, and so you see Two Slice doing her work over there. This road is not very well traveled, so it might be tough to get a hitch. But if we do, we're hitching to Chama so that they can order some winter gear for the upcoming snow, and then might even stop and get some lunch or something like that and come back here and just camp, just to have a relaxed day, because it is beautiful, sunny, blue skies, and we kind of enjoy being at an elevation that isn't covered in snow at the moment. So we're sticking with that plan. I was going to keep going today, but I think it's better to chill with these guys. They're really cool.
Yeah, it's a Class B RV. It's got 150, maybe almost 154,000 miles. I got it like 130 or something, so I put.
So we just made it to Chama Visitor Center thanks to a really nice hitch from the girl with the really cool RV van. And we are now at the Chama Visitor Center. And a really nice thing that they do for CDT hikers is they give us bikes that we can use for free to get around town, which is cool because this town is super spread out for no reason. So we got our bikes, they give us a place to stash our packs, and even a place to charge our electronics. They have a hiker box. This place is really cool. Riding around town in style. Oh God, please don't fall. Whew. Yeah, gotta ride our bike. Oh, we lost one. Oh, we lost one. I got that on camera. Riding to the old High Country Saloon, getting ourselves some lunch. My apologies, everyone. Once I start drinking, I just forget to film stuff, and it's unfortunate. But so we rode bikes around town safely, and without being under the influence. But once we returned the bikes, we went out to some bars and got some drinks, and then we went back to the motel where we decided to stay for the night. And hey there, JJ. He's just having a fun time. We went back to the motel, had some drinks, met up with some other hikers, went out to dinner with them, had some really good conversation with a trail angel, a woman who hiked the CDT in '81, back when there was no trail, no anything, no maps. She was just like doing it all on her own, having her parents like resupply her food for her and stuff. So really incredible woman, and it was awesome to hear some stories from her. And then we just fell asleep watching some South Park, and that was about it. So I'm calling that the end of day 40 on trail. So we got about 8 miles in today, as well as a decent amount of elevation really early in the morning, and then just spent the rest of the day kind of relaxing, drinking, eating food. So tomorrow we'll be heading back on trail after some hitches, and hopefully getting up there and having a good time. Weather report looks good, so I think we're in the clear. So check out some of the photos and let me know what you think. And again, sorry for blocking out video for like half of the day, but I think you guys are more interested in checking out some of the trail anyways and camp life. So I'll try to bring more of that to you as time goes on. All right.